15 Ways to Succeed and Make Money on YouTube. There are many ways to make money on YouTube, but not all of them are created equal. In this video, we'll show you 15 different ways to succeed and make money on YouTube. We'll give you tips on everything from choosing the right niche to creating great content that will attract viewers and subscribers. We'll also show you how to monetize your channel so you can start earning revenue from your videos. So if you're looking for ways to make money on YouTube, this video is a must-watch. There are 15 categories in total on YouTube. 1. Film and Animation. The film and animation category is one of the biggest sections of YouTube. Film is the YouTube video category containing anything movie-related. Think of things like movie trailers, movie reviews, and movie scenes. The YouTube channels with the most views almost always come from trailers for movies made by big film and animation industries like A24, Disney, and Sony. 2. Autos and Vehicles. Autos and vehicles is a very big niche on YouTube. This is everything from car showings to basic tutorials on how to change a tire. 3. Music. The music category was the bread and butter of YouTube in its early years, and it is still a huge cash cow. A music video on a YouTube channel like Vivo or Sony can easily rake in hundreds of millions of views. 4. Pets and Animals. This category covers anything to do with animals and pets. The pets category people who make content around their pets, like pet vlogs, pet care advice, and more. 5. Sports. The sports category covers all content about sports-related activities. This could be sports commentary, talk shows, game highlights, and more. 6. Travel and Events. Travel and Events is a YouTube category around the concept of travel, attractions, and tourism. Travel channels are usually travel vlogs that follows independent creators as they explore cool places all over the globe. 7. Gaming. You would be surprised how well a gaming channel can do on YouTube. Gaming channels can be gameplay walkthroughs, reviews, and even hour-long streams of watching other people play some game. People want to know what their favorite creators think of the newest games. 8. People and Blogs. This category refers to content about other people or their content. This includes individual success stories, drama channels, and informative topic videos about famous people. 9. Comedy. Comedy is a pretty big category on YouTube, as most YouTubers try to make their content funny since it keeps people engaged and makes the content more fun. 10. Entertainment. The entertainment category looks at covering everything related to pop culture and celebrities. 11. News and Politics. The news and politics category is essentially any content about breaking news, political debates, or developing stories. 12. How to and Style. How-to guides are some of the biggest resources that YouTube offers. Whether you want to see a YouTube video to learn how to parallel park or how to build a cabin from scratch, there are tutorial channels out there for you. 13. Education. The educational YouTube video category is a high school teacher's best friend. 14. Science and Technology. Science and technology is any content that refers to or revolves around science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, STEM. 15. Nonprofits and Activism. One of the best uses of YouTube is that it gives charitable organizations and important social movements a platform to share their content.